This funnel, it paid me $900. I had no tech skills, no team, and I wasn't chasing. All I needed was my phone, Wi-Fi, and a reason to start. If you're tired of working overtime to fall behind, this might be the most important video you watch this year. I'm Lori. I'm a mom of 5. I'm divorced. I'm rebuilding. I didn't have a backup plan. I was the backup plan. I wasn't looking for a fantasy or some passive income dream. I wanted something real, something that I could do for myself. That's when I found this funnel, and it changed everything. What is a funnel? Let me explain this clearly because I had no clue what a funnel was. It's a simple path online that guides someone towards the product. You click a link, you land on a page, and you grab a freebie. And then you see the offer. It's like going to Target for one thing, but you leave with 5 more. You are guided step by step. That's a funnel. Only online it works while you sleep. The system I use gives you your own funnel. It's already done for you, and you share a unique link. This is how the funnel will work in my life. Step 1. You offer a free source to people online. Then, when they grab it, they land on a page with digital products. If they buy, I get paid instantly. The products for this funnel are already created. The funnel is already done. You get 100% profit. You have no inventory, no shopping, no drop shipping drama. One of my first sales, $900. I had no tech degree, no fancy background, me following the steps from my phone. That's when it clicked. This isn't hype. It's a real system. You don't need to be a content creator or an influencer. Here's what you do. You get your own funnel. You plug in your link. You learn how to create curiosity online with TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or whatever you want. The funnel handles explaining, selling, and delivery for you. It's digital, educational, and people are buying it every day. I've put together a free digital business blueprint, and you can see exactly how this works step by step. It's the same strategy I follow without tech overwhelm or startup stress. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment below and grab your copy. It's totally free. If you're ready to stop surviving and to start building something real, this is it. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be willing. You don't need more hustle. You need the right system. This is the one that worked for me, and I can believe it will work for you too.